Alright guys, we're back. It is the third week of this challenge. Um, I don't know, let's see what we're weighing in at. Alright guys, so that is 155.6, that's 0.2 pounds down. From last week, I was 155.8. That's alright. We're going pretty slow, but going slow is better than gaining weight, so. Alright, so I'll show y'all some shot put practice, and I'll catch y'all boys next week. God damn. 2 feet of snow, bro. 2 feet of snow. God damn. That's what we gotta do. Alrighty guys, so this was right before my meet in Tom's River, just to like practice some throwing. The meet did not go well, by the way. I only threw like 28 because I fouled the first time. Then I did a power throw, which I usually throw like 28, 29. And then my glide, I touched the toe board, which almost made me fall, but I didn't. But like I lost some energy, so I didn't really get that much power out of it. But these throws in the beginning, they weren't that bad, I guess. I mean, they were as good as they could have gotten when there was like, snow and all this stuff. But I mean, it's fine. I mean, as you can see, like I'm just doing some power throws, and now I'm about to do a glide, I think. But yeah, as you can see, there's hella snow. It's not really a problem since it was like it was low to the ground and it was like hard, so it didn't really get on my shoes, so I could still use them. And if you're asking why I'm wearing a glove, I don't know, I thought it was a good idea just so my right hand didn't get too cold too fast. But yeah, just working on some glides here. My coach told me to turn my hips more, turn my hips toward like the front of me, not like toward the side. And yeah, that's what I fail to do sometimes, especially when I'm going through like the full motion, like fast, like that right there. Like I threw it more to the right, like it has to be in the middle. And I just started practicing like doing it without the shot put, stuff like that. For some reason I was like very off balance. I don't know why. It just like something in the ground, it just like did not feel right to me, but I'll get there soon enough. But I did have some pretty decent throws. Yeah, that one, I don't really know about that one. I thought that was pretty good. I don't know. But yeah, other than that, like, we had, yeah, okay, that was very bad. But oh yeah, and then we started to work on some spins here. It wasn't that much or anything. Like I just did spins without the shot put, and then I did some with the shot put. I don't know, something in my spin form, it just doesn't look right. Like when I do it with the shot put, it's just like I keep going too far to the left, and I'm just like not even noticing it. Like I think I do it here. Oh wait, no, this is just me. Yeah, see, like I end up all the way to the left, and I mean I'm throwing it in the right direction, but like I don't know if that like affects me like throwing. Like I see people on TikTok, they're in like a perfectly straight line and they're throwing it. It's I don't really know what to say, but yeah, like that was pretty decent. And then we started to do some like half turns, as you can see here. Nothing too crazy. I think half turns I'm starting to get pretty good at. As you can see there, that was alright. That sucked. Like I tried to do the half turn with the spin. I mean half turn with the release, not the spin. I think I did my first one here. I don't know. Okay, yeah. It ended up so far to the right. Definitely a foul. Yeah, I just had to like turn my hips, stuff like that. Uh, but yeah, that's really all for the throwing. Again, like as you can see, like from the shoveling video, yo, I'm gonna have to shovel so much. Like I don't know if I'm gonna practice for like a while, because of all the shoveling that I have to do. Like I'm literally shoveling in like 30 minutes. I'm gonna have to eat, and I'm gonna have to shovel, then eat and shovel. Like it's gonna be a cycle because we're getting like I don't even know how much snow we're getting, but it's gonna be a lot. And again, I practice some glides here, just stuff like that. Nothing too crazy. But yeah. So, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow. I'll see you guys next week. And I hope you enjoyed the video.